Hi, it's your girl Netzel again, ready to take you along on another little adventure. Before the grand sights and city lights, it all starts with the little things. Packing our bags the day before, planning routes, and holding on to the excitement of another adventure together. And this time, with friends. In this episode, I'll take you along from the quiet corners of our town to the start of our journey heading to London. From the bus rides to the busy platforms and all the little street views in between. This isn't your typical vlog with narration at every turn. Instead, I want you to experience the ride with me, to see what I see, walk where I walk, and feel the stillness, the motion, and the meaning behind it all. Okay, thank you, Shaki. Me too. So this is the train station. Because sometimes the journey to a place is just as beautiful as the destination. For this trip, we started our journey from Okehampton, a quiet little station nestled in West Devon. From there, we switched trains at Exeter St. David's, which connects to major cities including London. We chose to take the scenic route via London Paddington, which is one of the faster and more direct lines operated by Great Western Railway. But just so you know, this isn't the only way to get to London from here. You can also travel from Exeter St. David's to London Victoria, although it may involve a change at places like Salisbury or Clapham Junction. Whichever route you take, each one offers its own views, pace, and experience. And today, I'm excited to share mine with you, from the platforms to the pavement. So here is part 1. May you enjoy the sights through my lens, and may it remind you that even in transit, we can live in gratitude.
Bukas yung cable car. Bukas tayo, punta sa cable car. Dapat kasi sinabi. Tapos
And the very
Join us! Safety!
ay saan ako? Dito ako, diba?
kasi ganda.
Curtain Hall. Leave the train when the doors are closed.
Saan tayo?
Standard class in zones 10 to 4, cycle spaces in zones 9 and 4, wheelchair facilities in zones
Unto Paddington. This train has 10 coaches and will take us to the platform. If you have seated today, or if you have seat reservations in coaches L, K, J or H, that's coaches L, K, J or H, you will need to wait for up the platform now past the lifts out into the rain, unfortunately.
Mangalan na natin. 41 to 48. 41, 42, 42, 45, 47, 48.
This town in England is pronounced as Reading. Reading. So it's not reading, it's reading.
This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text to police 610.
Pwede mo ito iwanan ba?
A few moments later.
While you may not fully feel the exact excitement I had the moment we stepped into Paddington Station, I hope this gave you a glimpse, somehow, not just of what I saw, but also the little hustle and strategy that goes into traveling. There is always something to learn, right? Even in the getting there part. So stay tuned, because my next episode will be officially day 1 of our London adventure. And trust me, the views are absolutely worth watching.